In this video, I'll show you how to send messages in Google Meet's chat feature during your video call. Or in your Google Meet call, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a chat bubble icon labeled Chat with Everyone. Click on it to open the chat. The chat panel will appear on the right side of your screen. At the bottom of this panel, you'll see a text box that says Send a message to everyone. Simply click in this box and start typing your message. Once you've typed your message, you have two ways to send it. You can either press the enter key on your keyboard or click the small paper airplane icon next to the text box. Your message will instantly appear in the chat for all participants to see. Everyone in the meeting can see these messages and they'll remain visible throughout the entire call. If you want to hide the chat panel to get more screen space, just click the chat icon again and it will close. You can reopen it anytime by clicking the chat icon once more. And that's all there is to it. The Google Meet chat feature is perfect for sharing links, asking questions, or sending quick notes without interrupting the speaker.